Springster is a global mobile platform designed to reach and empower adolescent girls. Springster was born out of a recognition that girls have hopes and dreams and ambitions for themselves, but often a lack of information and a lack of self-belief holds them back. At the same time, thanks to the fact that mobile phones have spread all across the globe into every nook and cranny, girls suddenly have access to devices that they can use to find the information that they need and the inspiration that they need to build the confidence so that they're actually taking action when they learn new things. We publish a combination of first-person stories, narratives from girls about the challenges that they've overcome in their own lives. We publish listicles with information that girls can apply in their own lives wherever they are. We publish fictional drama sometimes. We're publishing content to provide girls with the information they need to improve their health, their education, their safety, providing them with what they need to know in order to survive and thrive, but doing it in an educational way. We've had girls involved right from the start. They helped us come up with the name Springster. They helped us design the site. They told us what kind of stories they wanted to read, and in many cases, they've actually written those stories themselves. So Springster feels like a place that they belong. Springster recognizes that girls aren't trying to find answers to problems necessarily. They're also trying to be entertained. They're trying to find ways of being inspired. They might come to Springster to learn a few beauty tricks, but they might stay for the sexual health content or to find out why nutrition is so important if they're going to be happy and healthy. I have to confess that when we first started working with Nutrition International, we were unsure about the content, unsure whether or not nutrition should be something that we push on Springster, or unsure of whether or not it's something that was important for girls to know, considering all the other challenges they experience in their day-to-day lives. But in working with the team at Nutrition International, particularly the team in Indonesia, we started to understand that nutrition is actually critical for girls, critical if they're going to lead happy and healthy lives. Through our partnership with Nutrition International, we are producing several types of content. We're producing stories that are directly about nutrition, helping girls make better choices about what they eat. But we're also producing what we call nutrition-related content that plugs into girls' interests in other areas. So, for example, we have a stream of content on Springster that provides girls with the information they need to save money, or to make better decisions about how they spend their money. And we're busy writing articles about producing or making your own snacks at home to save money while seeding nutrition-related information into the article to help girls understand how they can produce healthier snacks at the same time. So we try and understand what a girl's interest is. And in this specific story, it might be she's looking to find ways of making money, and we weave nutrition into that story. Because one of the things that Springster recognizes is that to appeal to girls and to change their lives, we need to have a holistic approach. And what's changed for Springster since our partnership with Nutrition International is that we now know nutrition is a critical part of that holistic approach.